Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Home Depot gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem Home Depot gift card online, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up the browser. Then on the search bar type in Home Depot, and once the search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the home page of the Home Depot, be sure to be logged into your account as well by simply tapping on the profile icon or the three horizontal bar sign in icon on the top right, and then log into your account. Then once that's the next thing that you need to do is simply choose what you want to buy. Add the items to your cart by simply selecting the item and selecting the add to cart button. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply tap on the cart icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and once that's done, here what you need to do is select checkout option. Then inside, what you need to do now is in the payment section, choose apply a gift card, and then enter your gift card details by typing in your gift card number and PIN, which is scratching the back to see the PIN. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply click on apply and your card balance will be added. And next thing that you need to do is just simply click on place order and your Home Depot gift card will be redeemed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.